Today we're going to review how to add fractions with common denominators. So when you add a fraction with a common denominator, you just add straight across. Your denominator stays the same. So for example, 2/5 plus 2/5. As you can see, I have a 5 as my denominator on both problems. So they're already a common denominator. So the next thing that I have to do is my denominator will always stay the same. So 2/5 plus 2/5 gives me 4/5. All you do is you add your numerator. And then you're going to look at this and say, will this number go any smaller? Will these fractions reduce down? I know that 4/5 will not reduce down because the same thing will not go into both of them. Three eighths plus 3/8. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to carry my denominator over because it always stays the same. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6/8 is correct, but I know that both of those are even, and I know that that will reduce down. So what I can do is I can divide both of those by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 6/8 reduces down to 3/4. So 3/8 plus 3/8 gives you 3/4. 2/3 plus 1/3. Remember, our denominators are common. You move your denominator over. 2 plus 1 is 3. When you have the numerator and the denominator the same number, that equals a whole, or 1. So for example, if I had 6 over 6, that equals a whole. 10 over 10, that equals a whole. So the same number as the numerator and the denominator, those all equal 1 or a whole. So our new fraction, we have 3/14 plus 2/14. Denominators are common, they're the same, so I'm going to move it over. 3 plus 2 is 5. I know that 5 is an odd number, so this is as low as it'll go. So 3/14 plus 2/14 equals 5/14. Two eighths plus 1/8. Again, denominator stays the same. 2 plus 1 is 3. That will not reduce down. Seven twelfths plus 1/12. Denominator stays the same. Add the numerator. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8/12 is correct, but that will also reduce down. It'll go even lower. So you can write out your factors, or you can divide. I know both of these are even. I know 2 will go into those. 4 will go into those. So I'm going to divide by 4. Let's see what we get. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. That will not go down any lower. So this is your final answer for 7/12 plus 1/12.